So good morning guys. Today we went and approached so many people for our Zen project videos. So our topic was based on if a girl goes and approaches a group of boys, or if a boy go and approaches a group of girls, how the reaction will be. It was based on gender discrimination, how will they hesitate if a girl goes and asks for the photo, and how boys will hesitate to give a photo, or if a boy goes and approaches for a photo, and how girl will hesitate to give a photo. And we got so many videos like where girls were taking photos. So me myself being a girl, I went and approached a girl. Like, she was comfortable when I went and approached, but I observed that when boy came and joined the same photo, like, she was a little uncomfortable. So then when we observed their reactions also, we asked their opinions, like why they have that hesitation in them. So this fear of gender discrimination is like a scene. So we thought we'll do some experimental videos based on this, and we'll bring out a conclusion on this. So me being a girl, you can see there is a group of two people. So I'll go and approach them for a photo. Let's see how they will react. Just a photo.
Being a boy, I'll approach the same group and we'll see what the reaction is. Can I get the photo with you? Can I know the reason why?
Because I'm not comfortable giving you.
It's okay. No.
You guys for your presence. Like, we did this for our project, but we observed that when I came and approached you, you gave the photo, but when he came and approached you, you didn't give the
Girl,
photo.
I think if you take my photo, it will be safe, and if he takes my photo, I think it will be not safe. I just reject.
Okay. So we wanted this opinion for our project. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So now we see that one girl is posing the photo and she is taking the photo. So I'll go and interrupt them. Let's see how the reaction will be. Can I take a photo? Yeah, sure. Love. Did this experiment for our project purpose. Thank you. So I observed that when I came and stood, but I didn't inform that I'll take selfie with you. I just came and I interrupted your selfie session. But you were comfortable but taking with me. But I observed that when he came, you moved a little bit towards my side. So why you felt that?
Like general female, Indian female,
Okay.
you know, reaction would be the same because you are a girl, so I'm more comfortable towards my gender. Whereas
Okay.
he, as a male, just randomly approaching me, I would definitely think he's a creep or something.
Okay,
like
but even I am a person who is unknown. Even
Yeah.
he is unknown. But you are like comfortable around me, but you are not comfortable around him.
because
So why that their discrimination or that uncomfortableness is there inside?
because it might be something that we hear a lot of cases also.
Uh,
So it's generally the men who are the bad guys of everything.
almost the
almost the men,
Ah.
and obviously like, I'm more comfortable with you because I do not feel like threatened by you.
Okay.
But whereas he.
so you feel that he might misuse
Yeah,
like
yeah,
voice. Okay.
exactly.
So even you have the same
Yeah.
opinion.
These days.
So your reaction will be also same.
Yeah.
If any boy come and approaches, you won't give comfortably the photo.
Obviously, yeah.
If a girl comes and asks for the photo, then you will be fine.
No. I'll be getting uncomfortable with her too
Okay.
for some reason.
But you will be more uncomfortable when
Yeah.
the boy comes and
Yeah.
approaches. Thank you guys. Thank you for your. We have an experimental video to be shoot. Like, if a girl come and approach a boy for a selfie, like how your reaction will be.
Bro, real करेगा. हाँ,
So
Berlin
why
से.
you guys are like reacting like this? Are you not comfortable in taking
No.
photo?
We are comfortable. Like it's for a video, na. He's good looking. He's damn good.
So why you feel that he is good looking and you guys are not? Do you have any fear for taking selfie
No, we
or
don't have any
to
fear.
be in photo?
No.
Then why you are feeling that?
So I. No, you
Will
can.
be fine?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
So we are doing an experimental video for our project.
Okay.
So if I take a selfie with you guys, will you be comfortable?
Yeah, fine. No problem.
So you don't have any uncomfortableness for
No
opposite
hesitation.
gender,
No hesitation.
anything?
Nothing like that.
Sure.
Yeah, even you are a human. I am a human.
Okay.
Everything is fine. No problem. Okay.
Okay. So when I did the experimental videos with other people,
Yeah.
like they showed that uncomfortableness to take photo.
That's depends on the person, right?
Okay. So you don't have any.
I don't
other-
have any
So
hesitation.
can I take a photo with
Yeah,
you?
yeah, sure. Let me take out my bag.
Please. Even you. No, actually, I'm feeling uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Can I also join for selfie? So we did this for our project. So when he came and approached you for selfie, how did you feel? And when I also came and joined, how did you feel?
Just comfortable, no problem.
So you don't feel any uncomfortableness for opposite gender and all?
It's usual. I take photos with my friends. Like,
Okay. So you have friends as girls.
Yeah,
So
we
you
do
don't
have-
have that uncomfortableness.
No, no,
so you're
I-
comfortable in taking photos with opposite gender.
yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Hello guys, so we can see the two girls are clicking their photo and she's clicking the photo. He will go and interrupt them. Let's see how the reaction will be.
Oh, somebody is there.
Why are you here? Okay, guys, chill. This video we did for our experiment purpose, for happiness and class. You guys know, no? For happiness class. So this was our experimental video. So why did you guys feel that disgusting feeling or uncomfortable feel when he came and interrupted the photo?
Like he suddenly jumped in, photobombed. So
okay.
that's why I just
So
felt.
if I had came and did the same thing, you,
I would have felt a little happier.
why?
Because I don't know him much.
Okay.
And I know you a little.
Okay.
So yeah, that's why.
Oh, fine. So it's nothing related to gender.
No issue.
So if really like opposite gender comes
Yeah,
opposite
if I know him as my classmate or as a friend, then I would have obviously not made such
Okay.
expression.
So even you have a same opinion? No gender discrimination or uncomfortableness for opposite gender? No. Okay. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much, Sai.
Myself Harshit, we are doing an experimental video. Now the girl is standing there. I will be approaching her for a photo. So we'll see how will be the reaction of her. You are looking good. Can I have a selfie with you?
So just now you guys saw Harshit went and asked selfie, but she rejected. So I'll go and ask her selfie. So let's see how she will react. Can I get a photo with you?
Yeah.
So when he came and approached you, you told no for photo, and when I came and approached you, told okay. So why did your reactions?
Because मैं इनको जानती भी नहीं हूँ, आपको भी नहीं जानती हूँ, but just because of boys and girls.
Okay. So you have that gender uncomfortableness.
Yeah.
So you don't feel comfortable in taking photo with opposite gender.
Yeah.
So why do you have this opinion? Like why do you feel unsafe around boys?
Because मुझे नहीं पता ना कि मेरी फोटो मैं इनके साथ जो डाल रही हूँ वो कहाँ पोस्ट हो रही है या फिर
So
कहाँ
you
use
feel
हो
that
रही
he
है.
may misuse
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Guys, so now we can see that two girls are standing and talking. So he will go and ask them for the selfie. So let's see how the reaction will be. I wanted to ask you first, this we did now also. So this is for our experiment project type. So when he came and asked for a photo, why did you tell no?
I'm not feeling comfortable.
Why are you not feeling comfortable?
Not interested.
Okay. So if I would have came and asked, your reaction would have been same or different?
No, different.
What will be your reaction if I came and asked?
I will, okay.
So why do you have this opinion? Is it like gender difference?
Yeah, maybe for me it's fine.
Do you feel unsafe around boys?
Not unsafe,
Okay, so then,
but I'm just in the selecting set.
okay, so you have that,
Yeah,
like
like
uncomfortable
strangers.
feeling. Huh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Excuse me.
Can I have a selfie with you?
Why?
Like, what's your opinion? If I asked a selfie with you being a unknown person.
It's kind of awkward for me.
Like, okay, it's okay. Like we are doing a, so like we are doing a experiment survey. Like if a boy enter a unknown people in an unknown team like girl, how will the reaction of a girl? Like how she will be react? So she will be having a fear to interact with a boy, or what kind of things. So what made you to say no for me that asking a selfie?
Obviously, because I don't know you and I'm doing my work and you just interrupt me.
Ah.
It's kind of awkward.
Okay. There is a group taking a selfie, group selfie. Let me go and interact with them. Come. Okay, now you people were taking a selfie, like a group selfie. Now, being a stranger, I entered a group selfie. Then, how you felt? Why you did not refuse the thing which I have entered?
You were just standing behind me.
Yeah. Like you don't have that the gender thing which like you all were girl, you having some bond within you. That's the unknown person entered when
That was okay for us. Yeah, if you were a girl or boy, we don't mind that.
yeah.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Really beautiful as a kid. Yeah. So you don't have any like gender difference, like you are comfortable around every. So if boy come and approaches and if I come and approach you, you'll have same thing. So why you don't have this difference? Okay. So you don't have any like, fear or hesitation inside. Okay. So can I take a photo with you?
You don't have like any gender feeling. Like if a new person will come and ask you, can you give a photo? What is
I don't think it's that tough to give a picture with a stranger because
It's like
more
for everyone you will give like a certain person handsome or like that also.
to a certain person. I know you at least, and you are my fellow classmate.
If any unknown person will come and ask me what is,
Very unknown. All of a sudden in the street, somebody asks
yeah.
you.
Thanks.
So if I come and approach you for a selfie, will you give a selfie?
Yeah, sure.
If opposite gender, so you don't have any gender discrimination. So you don't have the fear of hesitation inside.
No, I don't have any fear.
So why you don't have this fear of hesitation?
Why should everyone be hesitated for a photo?
Can you be a little louder?
Why should anyone be hesitated like to give a photo?
So what is your opinion on people having that hesitation to take a photograph or to talk to people of opposite gender?
Yeah, it's good like approaching any gender people. I don't discriminate people by their gender or anything. Just approaching people, I feel good. And if they require a photo and is that helpful for them, then it's brilliant.
Okay, so can I take a photo with you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
What is your opinion on some unknown stranger person comes to you, mainly a boy, comes to you and asks selfie? What will be your reaction?
I might firstly say no because it's a stranger and I don't know how and where they will use that picture.
Then,
So I might say no. Unless it's a classmate and all, it's a different thing. But a stranger coming suddenly on the way and asking for a selfie, I would say no.
if he communicate well with you, in a decent way. Like if he comes to you and doesn't ask selfie directly, he starts his conversation smoothly, and better he asks selfie. Then what about it?
I might still say a no because
It takes months to know a person, years to know a person. How can I share a selfie with a person I just got to know through a conversation and not even a day?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
There will be a scenario where if a stranger boy, mainly boy, comes and asks you a selfie, he will directly come to you and ask selfie with you. Then what will be the reaction?
Would be a no, probably.
Why?
Because I'm not comfortable to take picture with a stranger.
Then other scenario, if he doesn't ask for selfie directly, he starts a smooth conversation with you, and later on, after some while, he asks selfie. Then what?
Still a no. Still I need to say no. Little more, then only I will be comfortable taking a picture with them.
Okay. Now the same scenario with a girl.
Still a no.
Gender doesn't play a role in this.
No, for me it doesn't play a role because once I need to get comfortable with a person, then only I can take a picture or get to know them more.
Thank you. Hello.
Hi.
Like there will be a scenario. Stranger boy will come and ask you selfie. Then what will be your reaction? And what the conversation is good, like the conversation will be good, like he will talk for a while and he will be communicating good, and then he asks for a video. Then
Even if the conversation is good, it depends upon me. Like if I know that person personally, then I'll be obviously comfortable. But if I doesn't know a stranger person, even if he gives a good conversation also, I won't be a comfortable person.
yeah, then the same scenario, okay, the stranger itself, the person will be the girl, then what will be your reaction?
It will be the same. Boy or girl, it doesn't matter. Whomever I am comfortable, if it's if I know that person in a like good way, then I'll be comfortable. If I'm not, I won't be comfortable.
Thank you. No, if there is a scenario, okay. If a stranger girl, come and ask you for a selfie, what will be your reaction?
I'll put on headphones and go.
If there is no headphone, why?
I don't like talking to people.
What if it's a boy?
I don't like this.
Then you are doing it.
Yeah, I'm forced.
What if a girl?
What if a girl? That's what I said. Irrespective of
Even
gender.
if a boy, it's the same.
Yeah,
Why?
I don't like to talk to people.
Why? There is.
It's my nature.
It's your nature.
why are you not comfortable to face camera?
I don't know.
You don't know means? You have any fear? Like
Maybe
the
I'm
video or
insecure
photo will be
with myself,
misused.
that's why.
So you know
What if the unknown person, a man, asks for your selfie? What will be your reaction?
So no, that's it.
Why?
Why will I give a stranger my selfie?
If the conversation is good, like
I won't be talking to a stranger.
you will be not talking. He will come and.
I run away. I don't talk to strangers.
What if it's a girl?
Then maybe I will talk.
Why? Like you feel to give a photo for a girl and not for a boy?
No, I won't give a photo to any stranger, irrespective of the stranger.
You told maybe for
No,
a
I will
girl.
talk with her. I said I will talk with her, but not see my photo.
Can I ask a question? Sure. Okay, there will be a scenario, okay? A stranger girl comes directly to you and asks for a selfie, then what will you do?
I would say no, of course.
Why?
Well, I'm photophobic. I don't like being in front of camera. It probably gives me sinus. Like too shy to be in front of camera. Plus, I'm introvert, so you know,
Okay. There is no camera. Okay. Hidden camera.
hidden camera.
Hidden camera. Okay.
Hmm.
There will be no camera for you, but she is taking a video or photo of you.
Hmm.
Then what you will do?
If it
Like
is,
you will continue that thing or
if it is not something like, let's say that's hidden camera, and I'm not aware of that's a camera. So obviously, I don't know that's a camera. So that doesn't mean.
so, the way I am asking the question is like you are fear for the camera thing
Mhm.
or the gender or the misuse of photo, like the specific.
No, I don't have any fear of gender or misuse. It's just I am very hesitant to be in front of camera, or even I don't take my own selfie. Someone like that.
Even if it's same for even with the boys.
Even if it is a boy, even if it is a girl, I never take selfies or videos with anyone.
Yeah.
It's just normal talk.
Be
all.
away from it.
Yeah. That's all.
Thank. Sir Farshid, your name?
My name is Nitin.
There will be a scenario, okay? If a stranger girl comes and asks you for a selfie, then what will be your reaction?
Like if I know, without knowing her, I can't give a selfie because first I will think why she is asking. If she explains anything she wants for a project or anything, or like any for prank or might be I will give. But if that also, no.
What if the conversation will be good?
If it
Like
seems,
she will talk sweet.
then also I can respond to the things. Then also I might maybe give.
In your way, the conversation will play a role.
Yeah, if the conversation is good and if we can't
Yeah,
tell
intention is
them,
good. Yeah.
we can.
Okay. Then the same scenario with a boy. If a stranger boy comes and asks you for a photo, what will be your reaction?
Yeah, according to me, like first I will observe the person. If he is the good and his way of and if his
Behavior.
behavior and if everything is good, and I will be a friend to him, and obviously I will accept.
A stranger boy, not a friend.
Yeah. In that scenario, we will had some communication and all. No, that I will think, and that time I will be.
Thank you. Myself, Farshid.
Suraj.
Okay, Suraj. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
What there will be a scenario, okay? A sweet girl comes and asks you for a selfie, and what will be your reaction?
First, I'll ask why would you need selfie with me? Like, what's the reason behind it? After that, if the reason is valid, I will do.
What if the reason is not valid?
Or else, I'll deny it.
How?
I'm not interested. Sorry.
What if she feel bad?
It doesn't matter for me.
If it doesn't matter to you, but it will reflect on you, right? The way you behave with a girl, it reflects on you. Then what will you think about?
It's not about behaving, but it's about my personal thing.
Yeah.
That's my personal photo. They can make anything with that. So,
She is not asking about your personal pic, right? A selfie, not about a personal photo of you.
like now there are so many deepfake videos, deepfake photos that can be
Even she is
altered.
in that photo, right?
She can change the photo. She can change the face, add someone's face.
Okay. What if the conversation is too good?
Then it may.
Maybe. Then this thing will not come up. Like the AI thing which you told, the photo will be generated.
We know the person, like we know how they interact.
They can even manipulate, right?
I don't think so. They can.
Like we can't believe a girl. We can believe a boy. Huh?
I accept
See,
this.
conversation, like even I can change my conversation. I can be rude, I can be sweet. It depends on my mood. So if I want your attention, I have to be good for you.
Obviously.
So when I want to do something to you, I'll be good for you. The conversation will be good. but my intention will be bad. So if that thing happen, what will be?
Like, I'll see first how the situation is. Who knows how the situation
Yeah,
is?
okay. Then same scenario about but boy, then what will be?
The same thing first. Ask him what's the reason. If it's good, I'll do that's it.
Okay, thank you. Bro, if there is a scenario like if an unknown girl will come and ask you for a selfie, then what will be your reaction? Why, bro?
I don't feel comfortable in that.
If she talks, the communication skill will be good. Like she will not ask you the selfie for directly. She will start smoothly. Like she will start your name, etc. And after a while, she will ask for a selfie. Then
Depends, like if it is something related to work, like surveys and stuff, then I may be giving a selfie, but not really.
what if it's a boy?
Still no, like until unless it is necessary. It's,
Like by your part, the gender will not play a role. Thank you. There will be a scenario like if a boy, unknown boy, he's talking for you for the first time and he asks for you for a selfie. What will be your reaction?
I'll tell no.
Why?
I'll not give, like, I think he may misuse that photo, or and I'm not a social media person.
Yeah.
If it is posted in social media and all, then I may feel uncomfortable. First of all, I feel uncomfortable to stand beside boys. So I think if any boy comes and approaches also, I won't give a photo.
What if the conversation will be better good? Like he'll not ask for a selfie directly.
Okay.
He'll talk you good for a while and then ask a selfie. What will be your reaction?
Okay, so if it is necessary, like if he mentions it's for project or research purpose, then and all, that's how the approach will make sense. If their approach will be good, then
Approach in the sense like the conversation or the use
no,
of it?
not the conversation, the use for the photo. And if if there is a proof that it won't be misused, then I might give the photo. Like today, we ourselves did so many videos and all. So we went and approached them. So if there was a
Why
use
you
for
did
it. I did a video because we wanted to see if the people feels that gender difference or not. So me being myself, I'll feel that gender difference. But for project purpose, I did it. So if the purpose is good, then I might give the photo or I might give the video. But if the purpose is not good, like just he wanted to collect my personal information, or he needs a personal photo, or if likes me, or so that he will approach, then these things I will not support.
Okay.
Ah.
I understand. The same scenario with a girl. Then
Same with girl also. It's not like only boy will misuse the girl's photo. Even girl can misuse a girl's photo if she's having revenge, or it's not like stranger. Or I don't know how she feels about me. She may feel insecure about seeing me, and so only she may take my photo and then she may misuse it. So it will not come like girl or boy. If I feel it will be misused, or if I feel uncomfortable or insecure, then I'll not give. If I feel it's okay, then I'll give.
okay. Then, thank you. Hello.
Hi,
Myself first.
myself Vida.
Okay. Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
There will be a scenario, okay?
Mm.
If a stranger boy, you don't know boy, that boy, stranger boy,
Okay.
come and ask you for a selfie. Directly comes randomly and asks you for a selfie. Just can I say take a selfie? Then what will be your reaction?
I will be okay with it
Why?
because he's taking selfie in my phone now. If it's his phone, I will not be okay. I know it's going to be not leaked and all, so I will be
What if he says for his phone?
I will be not okay.
Like he's a stranger boy, he can't come directly and ask you, yeah, give your phone and take a selfie. He will take his phone and take a selfie, right? Yeah.
Then I will be not okay.
Why?
Like I don't know what he should be doing with
Intention.
that.
Intention. Okay. If he is in a good intention, he'll say like, I like you.
Then it's okay.
Unisex.
Yeah.
Then what? Okay, it's okay, right? What if a girl, stranger, same scenario, even you don't know that girl, she comes to you and asks for a selfie.
With her
directly.
phone,
Yeah.
I will not agree. Same like that person. As like the boy only.
Uh,
If it's girl also, in today's world, we don't know.
then by you are telling by your side that the gender doesn't play a role.
No.
Thank you.
Okay.
What? Hello,
Hello.
myself also.
Myself Alisha.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
Think there is a scenario, okay? A stranger boy comes to you directly he comes and asks you for a selfie. Like he comes suddenly and yeah, can I have selfie with you? Yeah, what will be your reaction?
I may not agree.
Why?
I'm not interested in such kind of stuff. If it was a group selfie, if I was with my other friends, if he had joined, I won't mind.
Yeah.
If it's a single selfie, I don't like that.
Then what is the reason?
Basically, maybe my
Gender issue?
No, not gender. Like in our religion and all
Uh,
that stuff.
okay, it's about the
And
religion.
personally, I don't like that.
Yeah. Then what if the conversation? He may not ask you the selfie directly. He comes, talk to you for a while, a good conversation between you, and then he asks for a selfie.
Then it might have been okay.
Then, by your part of view, the conversation make a main role between our people. Like by introducing yourself, there should be some respect towards each other, like that kind of things.
For you to be in such kind of a conversation, or if you want to ask me to take a selfie, then there should be something between us. No, I should at least know you, who you are, and why do you want to take a selfie with me. If that is clear to me, then I will be fine.
Okay, then if it's a girl, the same scenario. If it's a girl, then what will you do?
Maybe I won't.
If it's a girl, in the same scenario, second scenario, if it's a girl, stranger girl, then what you do?
I might say yes.
Why?
But I don't know. Maybe because she's a
Like-
girl.
Gender?
Yeah. I want to ask you something. Is she asking to take the selfie in her phone or my phone? That depends.
However it may be.
If it's in my phone,
thing
either
is-
it's the boy or girl, I don't mind. If it's in my phone. If it's in his phone, I won't let. If it's in
What
her
if-
phone,
what if he
her
tells-
phone also, I won't let.
What if he or she tells she take a photo with you, and the tricky mind, like they can even share a photo, they will even get a number of you, then they can ask for a number and just ping you up like hi and send me a photo.
I won't send. If it's girl or boy, I won't send.
You have already gave him a photo, like you have built a conversation. Then
If I have built a conversation, if it's with a girl or boy, if I want to share, I will share. If I feel comfortable enough to share my phone number or even the photo, I will share. Otherwise, I will let it be that moment, let it go. Fine. Took a photo, then go bye. That's it.
okay, thank you. You don't have any fear that stranger is coming and asking you selfie? Nothing. What?
See, if you're scared of everything in your life, then how will you grow? If you be confined in your own self, you will not learn to expand.
Grow is like if we don't do anything, also will grow, right? Our age will be growing.
That's a different growth. This is like an internal growth. That is more of a cellular, biological thing. This is more of your personality growth. So let's say you take two people and you confine one guy to his home, the other one is very, going and interacting around with people. Who do you think will have more personality?
Interacting with people.
Exactly. So that's how I
Do
personally.
you think the conversation when we ask a photo will be better? Like it matters?
It's not if it matters or not, but I'm meeting a new person, right? So it's like that. When you meet a new person, it might be an initial step for new friendship. Or let's say if you are from a different department, a new domain for me to learn new things. So just a new look.
Myself, Ashik. Can I take a picture with you, sir? Yeah, you don't have any fear of the gender equality, gender dominance. What made you to be same to everyone?
Yeah, everyone is the same. There's no gender equality present in our
Like you don't feel awkward to give a selfie with someone unknown. Like he can use the photo like anything he needs.
Yeah, it's happening, but I don't have a feeling.
Yeah, thank you.
Sure.
You tell no.
I am not comfortable around boys like you.
What made you to feel comfortable? Like me. Like me, it's not me, right?
Yeah, like
It's-
you.
it's okay.
Not you, but like you.
Yeah. What made you to feel that?
No opinions, but just like that. I just felt like saying you know.
Okay, thank you.
Morning guys. So as I already explained in the introduction, and then we took so many videos and we did so many experimental videos and we took the opinions of people also. So when we as a team observed that after taking all these videos, seeing so many different people's reactions and their opinions, we can conclude that all people are not same. Like all the people have different opinions. The way they think will be different. Like some people have fear of hesitation inside them and some people are okay with it. So it's all depended on society or the environment they were grown from the childhood. Like if they were around all sisters and brothers, like in both the type of gender, then they'll be comfortable in taking photographs with both the genders. Like girl can take photo with girl, or the same girl can take photo with boy also. But in some videos we saw that they'll be okay by taking photo with the same gender, but they won't be okay by taking the photo with other gender. So this might be because of the social causes, like they might have any bad experience with the opposite gender, or they may feel uncomfortable. And in the video, in the second or third video, we also like observed that some girls told nowadays in society so many like things are going against, like she mentioned that boys are bad, though she meant that nowadays so many rape, I think she mentioned about rape cases and all. So like how it is like harassment of girls and also they feel uncomfortable due to these reasons, like the news which are going on nowadays in this generation. So by this she was uncomfortable in sharing or taking photos with boys, but she felt safe and was comfortable around a girl. And then we also met a people who were like we won't take photos only, like they were not photogenic or photophobic, like they don't like to come in front of camera. But it's not like they don't, in their head it's not like there is a gender difference, like I'll be okay with a girl or I'll be okay with a boy. No, it's not like that. They don't have any gender discrimination, like they're not okay to take a photos only. So we came across this type of people also. But in some people they were like okay to take photos with girls or boys, like it's completely their opinion. And then after this approaches, when we asked them, like some people were not ready to talk only, like they were okay with to talk with same gender people, but they were not okay to, like they were not so comfortable in talking to the opposite gender. So by this all we can see that still like in nowadays generation also, it is 2025, but now also in this generation we can see that still people have that gender like unbalance or gender bias is there, and gender discrimination is there. Still people feel unsafe. We being in India, where we like we celebrate or we worship women, but also still women are feeling unsafe in our country. Like they are not okay to take photos with boys, and if they take photo, they feel that their photo may get misused and all. And it's not only about girls, even boys, like they are not comfortable in taking photo with the opposite gender. So when it comes to boys, they feel comfortable in taking photo with their mother or with their sister, but they won't feel comfortable in taking photo with other girls. Why this is there? Because they're not socially well brought in, or they're not socially comfortable. So this mindset of okay, women are this and men are this, so men should be like this in the society, women should be like this in the society. So this is like set in their mind. So this makes the difference. So this makes the opinions and reactions different. So this is what we understood by all these videos. So this is how the hesitation of gender bias is shown in the happy photographs. Thank you guys. So how can we overcome this problem of hesitation or this gender hesitation is, first of all, from childhood we should like the surrounding should make us feel comfortable. Like they should tell that all men or women are same in this society, so all should be treated equally. And in their schools also, or in their colleges also, there should be a co-ed education. Like there should not be a separate school and separate colleges for boys and girls separate. So everything should be like made proper from small itself. So now by doing all these videos, what we observed is there is a limitation for everything. Like we can be comfortable or we can be hesitated, but there is a limitation for everything. Like boundaries is there. If you are so comfortable, then it's fine, but we randomly cannot go and approach people. Like they will also feel we should ask permission. So if we are more hesitated, we can't be so much hesitated. Or if we are hesitated also, that gender bias thing should be not there. Like if they are hesitated for giving a photo, then it's fine, but they should not be hesitated of gender bias. Like okay, they are boys will do that, boys will do this. Like every boys are not same, and every man in the society are not same. Like yeah, in this generation we are seeing the rape cases that and all, but it doesn't mean that boys are not going through anything. Even boys are going through so many things. Even boys are getting harassed. Even boys are getting ragging is going on in the colleges. But this is not coming out because our society won't treat girls or boys in the same way. Like they feel that girls are always unsafe, but even boys are unsafe around girls, but no one will notice this. So in this video also, we can observe that girls were uncomfortable, girls were unsafe, they all told that. But boys also sometimes told we are comfortable, but boys also told sometimes they are uncomfortable. But no one will give light to these things. So we should always keep in mind that it will not depend on gender. It is just the fear of hesitation inside us. So how to overcome this? We should develop communication skills, and we should not see which gender is like opposite to us. We should just see whether we are comfortable or not comfortable around them. So this gender bias thing should not come in the mind. Just the comfortableness should be there. So this is what the opinion, or this is what our Zen project was all about. Just we wanted to make people comfortable, and we wanted to convey this happiness or this comfortableness, the fear, we wanted to take out this fear or gender bias from the people's mind, and just we wanted to keep them happy and comfortable around the opposite genders also for few seconds. So this was our little experimental video that we did. So I think from this, by seeing this video, that people will understand that gender bias should be not there in the fear of hesitation. Like they should feel comfortable around everyone. So it will not come to girl or boy. It's all about comfortableness. So all about happiness. Thank you.